Hello AI Signal family and all food lovers. There have been many times when we are very hungry but have no idea what to cook. But AI is here to help us make delicious food. For this, it's enough to give this information to the artificial intelligence. That is, what ingredients do you have? What meal do you want to cook? What kitchen tools do you have? And how much time do you have? If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the Chef GPT website. After entering the website, just click on Get Started for free. Now, you should enter your email and password, or if you have Google account, you can use it. Now, you should choose what ingredients you have. For example, I have a bread, butter, chili, eggs, garlic, lime, olive oil, peppers, and salt. Now, choose what meal do you want to cook. For example, I choose lunch. Then choose what kitchen tools do you have. And finally, how much time do you have? Okay, now let's generate to see the result. As you have seen, you can use this artificial intelligence tool to cooking delicious food. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.